Четвертый класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Работаем и играем. Страница 30-31. English. Spotlight 4. Homework. Walk and play. Page number 30-31. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 30. Walk and play. We must do exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. Stonebridge, Sports Center, join now. Работаем и играем. Послушайте и повторите. Mondays, Thursdays, volleyball. Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays, tennis. Tuesdays, badminton. Thursdays, Sundays, baseball. Every day, table tennis. Saturdays, hockey. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Chit chat. Read the rules. I go to the cinema once a week. Gary has guitar lessons twice a week. Emma washes her hair 3 times a week. How often do they play volleyball at the sports center? Twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. Поговорим. How often do they play volleyball at the sports center? Twice a week, on Mondays and Thursdays. How often do they play badminton at the sports center? Once a week, on Tuesdays. How often do they play baseball at the sports center? Twice a week, on Thursdays and Sundays. How often do they play table tennis at the sports center? Every day? How often do they play hockey at the sports center? Once a week, on Saturdays. Boys and girls, do exercise number 3. Look, ask and answer. Look at the picture. O'clock. Время. 1:45. Без четверти. Без 15 минут. 1:15. 15 минут. Четверть. 1:30. Половина. 30 минут. Посмотрите, задайте вопрос и ответьте. What time is it? It's 11:15. It's 5:15. It's 2:45. It's 7:30. What time is it? It's 11:45. What time is it? It's 5:45. What time is it? It's 4:45. What time is it? It's 5:30. What time is it? It's 1:45. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 31. Exercise number 4. Read and choose the correct word. Прочитайте и выберите правильные слова. My Uncle Harry by Larry. My Uncle Harry's 40 years old. He is tall with fair hair and blue eyes. Uncle Harry's a vet. He works at the animal hospital in Stonebridge. Uncle Harry doesn't wear a uniform, but he wears a white coat. He helps sick animals. In his free time, Uncle Harry likes cooking and playing tennis. I think my Uncle Harry is great. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Write about a relative. Напиши о родственнике. The answer. My grandpa by Vladimir. My grandpa is 58 years old. He's short, with grey hair and brown eyes. My grandpa is a mechanic. He fixes cars. He works in a garage. In his free time, he likes driving his car and reading funny books. He is funny too and often makes me laugh. My grandpa is great. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 6. All about Robbie. Let's play. Все о Робби. Давай поиграем. The answer. He likes swimming. He likes eating pizza. He likes going to the cinema. He likes watching TV. He likes playing table tennis. He likes riding his bike. He likes painting. He likes listening to music. He likes playing the guitar. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing makes so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Close a goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile,